Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is psychology. Psychology for nurses. And today we are going to learn about frustration. Now, look at ourselves. We human beings has got lot of wishes and desires. Each day new ideas, new wish, like something new to be done. So you are having lot of desires. Now when all these wishes and needs are not met, then we feel something like disturbed. This is called this exact feeling. What do you experience when you don't meet with your need? Then that feeling is called as frustration. Now this word frustration has derived from the Latin word frustra, that means obstacle. Now the frustration is defined as it's a condition where individual is obstructed by reaching their goal. The meaning is the individual I am not able to meet my need, might meet my wish, and I'm developing that feelings experience. That's what called frustration. Now the characteristic of this frustration, when the individual experience frustration, they feel lot of stress, anxiety, they are worried, their attention and concentration level will goes down, they're not able to think and make a prompt action, and they will be restless, they will get angry and mixed emotion feelings. Okay, so these all things can be seen when the individual is influenced by frustration. Now the types of frustration. Now here mainly two type of frustration we can see. We can categorize two factors: external factor and internal factors. Now external factors. External factors, factor which outside of my body which make me to cause frustration. Like physical factors, maybe an environment, weather, cloud, video living, a status of life that may cause frustration to the individual. For example, now you think that you were ready to go for a function, you got ready, but unfortunately you locked inside the room and you lost the key. You're not able to open, and you left your phone in your dining hall and you're not able to call anyone now. See, then definitely this physical factor make you to feel frustrated. Then social factors like certain social rules, regulation, norms, our culture, cultural belief that make us to feel frustration sometime. Like I can give you an example. Generally, we got rules in a society that girls are not supposed to go outside the house after 7 o'clock, or it depending on your family system. Now, a young girl who wanted to go for the movie late night, there is no permission to go, and you feel frustration. Meantime, your brother is going for a movie, he is going for a party. See, now this social factor made me to feel frustration. Economic factors. Money. Definitely, money makes many things. Many things will lead to monkey things. Definitely, now money, this economic financial condition that may lead frustration in some people. For example, now a young boy, like who is well educated, like he has a very good knowledge, degree, certificate, everything, but no job, unemployment, no money. He may be tired of his life and he may committed suicide. Or else a mother whose husband is a drunkard, alcoholic person, not giving money to her family, not taking care of her, so that this lady along with the child, they may commit suicide. See, because of lack of money to run the family. Okay, now all these are the physical external factors which cause frustration in human beings. Now the internal factors which happen within me, the factor which present within me that make me to feel frustration, like physical abnormalities. Now, like I am deaf, I cannot hear, I cannot see, too high body, too short body, not so beautiful, ugly face, very dark in color. See, these all factors may create a kind of frustration in individual. Now example, maybe a blind person, he may feel frustrated of being blind. Like everyone may come and tell him, oh, that film is so beautiful, so super, wonderful, amazing. Okay, I can give you an example here. Bahubali, excellent feeling. See, excellent film. When everyone described about that film, the individual is not able to see that because of his physical factor, because of his internal factor. He's blind. That make him to feel frustrated. Okay, then high morale. Your moral standards sometimes make you to feel frustrated. The way you cultivated your behavior, your ethics, your code of conduct, that make you to feel frustrated sometimes. Now, example, maybe you wanted to smoke, or else you wanted to take alcohol, or you wanted to wear a short dress. But what happened? Your morally, you already had a preset ethics set of mind in your life that I am not supposed to behave so. Now that feeling make you to feel frustrated. Or else a girl who is a model, maybe it's common that they may ask her to expose herself little. Now she may hesitate to do that because of this moral standards. You get frustration. Then what else? Your level of intelligence, your aspiration. Now, irrespective to your intelligence and aspiration, you are having high aspiration. For example, you are an average kind of student. You can score 160 to 70%. Now, you are keeping a high aspiration that I will score 90% in this exam, and you're not able to score that because you know your standards are hardly 160 to 75%, but you wanted to score 90%, which you could not do. Then that factor make you to feel frustration. Or else another factor like lack of hard work and sincerity. See, you had set a goal and you're not very sincere with that goal, you're not working very hard to achieve that, then that make you to feel frustration. For example, now, okay, you wanted to study for the exam, you wanted to read some textbook, and you read the book. For namesake, you just read the book. Now what happened? When someone asks some question, you are just blinking your eyes, you're not able to recall. See, this again make you to feel frustration. So these are like the internal and external factor that make you to feel frustration. Now next, how do you give your response to this frustration? A response of individual to frustration. Aggression. Now, immediate person may get angry to the situation. He may blast his anger. He may ventilate his feelings. He may scold. See, this is a way. In a direct, they may just hit on the object or the person, whoever that which created a problem to them. So this is a way they may express their feeling. Chances are there they may develop apathy, lack of emotional feeling. Consistently they had a failure. Consistently they understood that they are not going to get that in spite of their hard work. Then they develop a detached feeling from that. They wanted to keep them away from that, and there is no attached emotional feeling towards that. Now that may make the person to develop this apathy kind of feelings. Okay, next is direct approach. Now here individual may develop a direct approach to encounter that problem or frustration what they had. Try to understand. They may give a positive approach, or they may accept it what happened to them. They may accept that, then they are going along with that. So this may develop. Next is a kind of regression feelings, regression behavior. Now here person may go back to a more premature kind of behavior. His behavior is very younger to his age. Maybe he is 30-40 years adult. He saw some situation where he is not able to handle, immediately start crying. See, usually we don't expect a middle adult to cry. We don't expect that. Maybe, especially men, we don't accept that. Now here, immature kind of behavior. See, he is not able to handle his frustration. Immature kind of behavior. Crying. Okay. Next, he may respond in a kind of stereotype behavior. See, repeatedly he has done the same mistake or same kind of response, and same result is going to get failure. Here, person or individual keep on behaving in the same way repeatedly. This is because of frustration, lot of stress, lot of fear. He is not able to handle that. Then repeatedly, without thinking, see, their thinking attention is disturbed when they are under influence of stress or frustration. So repeatedly they behave in the same way. Next is fantasy. Fantasy means they are creating an imaginary world where they feel much relaxed. When the individual not able to face the frustration, they themselves develop a fantasy world to feel themselves relaxed. Actually, this is not a reality. and reality will be really bad when they are come out from this fantasy. So this is the way they may react. So this is all about your frustration. So frustration is nothing but is a behavior you experience when you're not able to reach your goal. The factors I'm summarizing, dear students, the factor which develop this frustration is external factors like physical factors, economic factors, social rules, regulations. Then internal factors which is within me, like you are intelligent, physical abnormalities, high standard of morale, high aspiration, lack of sincerity and effort. Finally, the way you react to this frustration: direct coping, aggression, apathy, fantasy, stereotype behavior, and regression. So this is a way you can react to back to this frustration. This is one of the important question. You can write it for 5 marks. I just summarized everything so that you are able to understand the concept of frustration, and you can write your answers now with the example. So I see you in next class. Please keep watching. I'll meet you in next class with a new concept. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you all.